Aloha, people thought I was crazy for doing this. Partnering on an RV park that I've never seen with people that I've never met. And we bought this property for over $1 million together.
Let's go. It's in action. Go, go, go. Okay, one more. Yay! Okay, go.
In this video, I'm going to give you a full tour of our glamping and RV resort in Missouri, introduce you to our partners that we met online, take you along as we travel with my entire family from this little island in the Pacific, Maui, to middle America in Missouri. Just got to Vegas on our first layover. Mom. If you ever doubted the power of social media for real estate, this video will change your mind. Glad you guys got to meet my husband.
Yes, it's awesome.
I got to come in my
Yeah,
This is so crazy.
finally.
Yeah.
Just got to our tiny cabin. It actually is really spacious. Checked into the RV part and glamping resort and met my partners, Heather and Ryan Meuer. Shout out to them for having this huge vision. I remember when we were talking about this project a couple years ago, it was an abandoned park. There was broken down buildings. There's nothing here. And to see where it's at today with the 50 pads, it's a whole experience. Tiny cabins, tree houses, just stargazer tents, like it's amazing. There's also different amenities like a pool, a pickleball court, an amazing coffee shop, and a camp store that has everything you need. So I think this goes to show the power of partnerships. You never know who you might meet that you could align and do cool projects like this. I never thought I would be doing something like an RV park or a glamping or get into this space, but because we met each other, and for me, my biggest thing has been raising money or bring my own money to the deal. Sorry, I've been on a few flights from last night to today to get all the way here, so I'm a little jumbled. Thank you to Ryan and Heather Meuer for having the vision when they approached me a couple years ago about this project. It was an abandoned RV site, and they had this vision for it to be a whole experience, and that's what their specialty was. And for me, I had just made money from a few flips, and then also because I had so many projects under my belt, I was able to sign on the loan as well. And so when we came together, they had the vision for the property, they planned it all out, and they created this beautiful place for people to come enjoy themselves and their families. So I can't wait for you guys to see the rest, and I'm going to show you. property is 13 acres, so I can't even show you everything, but down there is the cabins that we're staying at. Then here's the stargazer tents, and then there's some tents over in the back as well. And some also raised tents, some treehouse style tents that have hot tubs and jacuzzis on them, in them underneath. So stay tuned. You will get inspired by this area too. Here's my husband. Hi. We've been here at our RV park and glamping resort for the last few days and really got to immerse ourselves in the experience. Even as owners, it's a lot of a different perspective when you stay inside of the properties that you create. So we're staying in a cabin right now, but wanted to take you on a tour of one of our tree houses. So it's basically a glamping tent on the second story, and then below that is the hot tub. And what's interesting is that a lot of people like to have little communal areas. So one of the special touches that we did was at the campfire. So people could also have some more outdoor time and things to do. Below here, they can go in the hot tub, cruise out here, or lounge outside on these different areas. And my partner Heather has the whole design of this, and the aesthetics are amazing, very modern, and people want to stay at things that are a little bit more updated, but still simple. So for this one, I was told this one has the nicest view of the sunrise. You can see over to the next property, but you do have a lot of privacy. Let's see, open this up. Last night there was a big rain, but I'm gonna take off my shoes so I don't get dirty. But here, one of the biggest things, the differences is that it has AC. The tents all have ACs, even the cabins, and even the bathroom areas and the laundry areas, just because it does get humid. Now this layout has the bed here, and then also another twin bed behind us. And when you're staying in here, we're gonna stay in here tonight, so it's gonna be interesting to see what the feeling is like sleeping in a tent style, and just the like nostalgia of it all. So there is a small kitchen area, and then what I like about this is that there's still a full-size bathroom as well. So you do have, there's a lot of different areas where you have enough space. And we can go and take a tour of the glamping tents on the floor as well. It's really cool. You still get privacy and you feel like you're camping, but you're glamping. You can see out here the rest of the site. So there are 5 treehouse tents, and then there's 10 glamping tents that are on the floor that are on wooden platforms. And so those are really neat. There's one that's a stargazer that actually has a clear top on it, where at nighttime you can see the stars. But this property has a lot of different areas where you can all sit together with your family or friends. That's what I really like about it. It gives you that privacy for more small, intimate interaction.
Then I'm gonna. What if I fall down?
This is the cabin that we're staying at.
Is that the cabin roof?
And this is the top part.
Is that the top roof cabin? This is a cabin.
There's 2 cabins, and there's 10 glamping tents, 5 tree houses, 50 RV sites, a pool, a camp deck store, coffee shack, everything you need.
Everyone, so you have to step 1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet, 7 feet, 9 feet, 10 feet.
So what started as a random DM on Instagram became an $8 million glamping empire. Proof that your next deal might just be one message away. Comment below if you want me to make another video about the construction portion of it, how we went from this 13-acre abandoned RV site, knocked down all the buildings, and then started the build, and then transform to what it is today. And like always, like and subscribe to this video if you want to see more projects, want to see more ways that I raise money, and want to see more ways that you can start investing in real estate. I'll see you on the next video.